Well, hello and good morning folks. As you can see, I'm at a campsite yet again, and this time it's for a 200-kilometre audax around Snowdonia. I'm going to get ready and get on the bike. I literally just jumped on the bike a couple of minutes ago, and that's a view of Snowdonia National Park. These campsites I keep booking are always quite interesting. Just like some of the ones last week. This one's got a hill start, hill finish. Except this time it's like 200 metres uphill finish. So once the day's ride's over and I'm already knackered, it's a 200 metre climb to the very top. Woo! Good work, Richard. So it's not quite 7 o'clock yet. It's probably about 6:30 and it's already quite warm already. And since my last ride, I've also had my cassette change ready for PvP. The gears were starting to, the chain was starting to skip a little bit, so I've changed that. And I've gone from 11:28 ratio to 11:30 now. So I've got an extra gear or two. So hopefully I will notice the difference. And I'll definitely need it around here. Got 3,100 metres of climbing. So I'm a bit of a valley at the moment, into a headwind as I'm heading south, anti-clockwise route rather than the Snowdonia National Park. Hopefully the wind direction won't change and I'll get a bit of tailwind on the way back. Will make all the difference. Yeah, so enjoying a nice bit of flat bit at the moment, just taking in the views. And looks like I'm going to be going into the clouds at over 400 metres above sea level, I think, once I get to the top of that. Certainly notice the difference with having an extra cup of tea on the cassette. Whew. Hi, see you at the top. Maybe I should have put the camera on the handlebars for this one because it's a tough one. Nearly there, nearly there. Well, more than a quarter of my ride's been finished now. I've just gone past the first of my control points. Phone in my hand so we can look together at these control points. I've got 4 controls, I think. Let's have a look. 3. There's the first one, Lenautide, 61k. The next one's a one at 100 kilometres, which is Eisengrug. And then just after the Lamberis Pass, past Nantenberris and Snowdon, is Betswed Coed, which is 189 kilometres to go. So then there's another just 11 or 12 kilometres that just after that back to the campsite. This is sort of obstacles Sustrand needs to remove. It's clearly marked as a cycle path and there's speed bumps down it. Get rid of them, no need. Morning. Must be foreign. Turns out this NCN route and path goes on a bit longer than I thought actually. Now look at that for a view. I'm gonna put that on Facebook. That's brilliant. Look at that. So yeah, of course I want to quickly show the breakdown of the elevation of today's ride. So let's zoom out a bit. So hopefully you can see there's not too much of a shadow. So I've done the bit on the left there, the high peak at the top. So there's some more high peaks coming up in the middle third, and the final third is obviously going to be quite difficult as it passes through the Lamberis path, past Nant Peris. At the very end of the elevation, you can't really see, it's just off the screen. There's a big sharp climb up. It's about a 200 metre climb to this campsite at the end. So I was showing you earlier, and yeah, obviously I'm not looking forward to that. Yeah, just remembered what I was going to say. That final third also takes me past Mount Snowdon. It'll be on my right as I go past. So really looking forward to that third part of the ride. If you go down to the woods today, you're sure for a big surprise. Well, I hope we don't get any bears through here. Look at this for a cycle path. Check out these views. Makes you forget about the crap surface. Awesome. Yeah, I'm just heading towards Barmouth now. We go across the rickety bridge. Very rickety. What a beautiful view, route, and everything. Look at that bridge. That's Barmouth over there. So I'm just on the other side of Barmouth. Just gone up a really big hill and opened a couple of cattle gates. No private road signs or anything. Now I'm driving through, well, riding through cattle shit, so it better not be a dead end. Another great view. I'm looking down in the distance over there to Lambert. I'm 183 metres above sea level. Just been winding my way through those cattle gates and some farms. And what an amazing view this is up from here. Wow. Well, about 100k, and I tell you what, it's hard going at the moment. Because I'm well off the beaten track. I've literally just had to lift my bike over the gate because the locking mechanism seems to be frozen. So I've just literally taken my shoes off and walked and climbed up the gate in just my socks. But look at this robot's going up here. Wow. Completely isolated this. Whew. Look at that view. Right, there's a bit of a technical climb coming up. There's all this gravel running through the middle of the path. Hope you've enjoyed watching this video so far. It's been quite scenic, very scenic to be honest. There's been lots to see. Well, the last place I stopped was Porthmadog. There was a Costa there, so I stopped on the high street and had a salted caramel Frostini. Oh, it was delish. Really cooled me down. So that was a nice treat for today. But now there's no more treats for the next 70k. I'm just here in Beckett, and it's going to get some serious climbing involved over the next 70k now. It's going to really ramp up. Been creeping up slowly onto this Snowdonia, but I've got 4 climbs in the next 70k. 2 through Llanberis Pass, another one near Betsytayed, and one final climb up to the campsite, which alone is about 150k, so 150 metres high to 200. So some tough work ahead. I wish I could record on the way down, but it's pretty swift going. But look at that. Isn't that amazing? That's fantastic, that. reservoir. Less than 27k to go. Right, I'm just coming into Lambwist. I've got Lambwist Hill to climb. It's about 4 kilometres, 11%. Not been looking forward to it all day. I don't think I've had enough energy to get up there, to be honest. That's quite a climb I've set myself at the end. It's been a great day, it's been a fantastic day. I've seen loads of amazing scenery. Just checking out the time, it's 6:05 in the evening. I roughly started this ride about 12 hours ago. So I've got an hour and a half to finish it in. 5.8 kilometres. So I've got plenty of time to walk that hill. God, right.